See, look at this. Look at this beautiful Japanese garden here. Wow. See, there's little like bonsai trees, but they're actually pretty big. Yeah, I guess you can, like in the summer, they have bird watching paths here. Look, the water's bubbling there. It looks like there's like a fountain. Yeah, basically like during the summer, baby mouse at rest. Do not disturb. Yeah, during the summer they have these bird trails here, where you can see like close to 300 species of 300 species of birds in this park. So I didn't know that. That's pretty amazing for you bird watchers out there. So yeah, here we got this like well, probably not temporary, but yeah, this tree looks like it's growing over towards Japan, and like, yeah, it's like actually like pointing towards Japan, and it's got this thing holding it up. Yeah, I gotta be careful because this is a bit slippery, guys. Yeah, I wasn't expecting this much snow, you know, because up north we don't really have any. But yeah, like I imagine that all 300 species of the birds, apart from maybe the ducks, they probably have migrated. They've migrated south by now. But yeah, this is a real cool thing, guys. You know, come up here in the summer, man, this is amazing. And there's that little bridge where people, I think, a lot of people come here to propose to their loved ones. Yeah, look at all these cool trees, guys. Some slack from this side. See, there's like a little pagoda here. Look at that. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is aim to get on the other side of this, which I think we're gonna have to go around that way. But yeah, how lovely is this, guys? Yeah, I think this is gonna be a dead end because I see a big fence over there. So yeah, hey, check one off the list. At least we found the Garden of Phoenix, the Japanese Garden of Jackson Park. Okay, now we can go by our tire marks and find our way back. So yeah, guys, thanks for tuning in again. Of course, there's a big eye in the sky. Chicago police is watching us. So yeah, that's very nice, actually. Right. So yeah, I guess the next. Well, we saw the Museum of Science and Industry briefly coming in, but the main attraction here is, of course, the Statue of the Republic. Wow, these little wild berries and cherries are still growing. Alright, guys, so we shall ride off very carefully because it is very, very, very slippery, guys, especially making turns. So please support the Japanese garden if you can in any way, financially, or just come visit. Will be greatly appreciated. And onwards and upwards, guys. Come on, join me on this very windy, snowy November. We have not got into Thanksgiving yet. Yeah, let's watch for some signs here. The signs should point us up to The signs are going to point us up to probably to where the statue is. Because yeah, we're now heading south, kind of southeast in a way. And yeah, by the way guys, today's weather is going to be like 26 degrees max. You know, right now it's like 25 or whatever. No, actually it's 27 now. And so this seems like the main trail. Yeah, it's like 27 right now, but guys, it's not gonna get any cold, warmer. So like none of this is gonna melt anytime soon. I think we're gonna get some 40s. We're gonna get some 40s over in a couple of days, which should melt all this down. I think we're gonna have some rains too. All right, let's check the map here, guys, and find out whereabouts are we. Location map. All right then. I guess there's some literature we could take here. Look at that. See, Jackson Sparks' little history. Look at this. This is what it looked like, the White City during the World's Fair of 1893. Now, guys, see this Jackson's Park wooded island? A fun fact is that what had happened was I guess there was a view that the original designer, Mr. Olmsted, Frederick Law Olmsted, there was like a vision that he had for how this park was supposed to look, and it never came to fruition. So basically, Yoko Ono, the wife of John Lennon, of course, she had decided that she's going to invest, not invest, but she's donated like something like $8.1 million over into this project to restore the wooded area to the vision of Olmsted, because I guess at the time, you know, maybe they didn't have money or whatever. So yeah, right now this is where we are, guys. We're on the wooded island. And then we're gonna probably try to, okay, so we passed up here, and okay, oh, so yeah, we're now gonna be heading towards, we're gonna go across this bridge, and we're gonna go across and then go to the Statue of the Republic, and then we're just gonna keep going down Hayes over to Lakeshore Drive, and hopefully there's a trail that'll take us